Want to change the material of a part in SolidWorks in seconds? Open your part in SolidWorks. On the left side, find the Feature Manager design tree. Right-click on Material, then click Edit Material. A new window will appear. Choose the material you want, for example steel, aluminum, or plastic. Click Apply, then Close. Your part is now updated with the new material, including mass and appearance. And that's it. Now you know how to change material in SolidWorks quickly and easily.